channel. So if you're new here, me and my husband moved to Mexico a few months ago, and even though we've only been here for 3 months, we actually have to take a trip back to the US. We are going back for a couple weeks to visit family and attend a wedding that my husband's actually a groomsman in. So we are trying to pack light for this trip because we plan to bring some stuff back with us to have here while we're in Mexico. Because when we first initially moved here, we put some stuff into storage. You can check that in a past video that we did about what we decided to put into storage, and then when we go back we need to decide what is worth bringing back and what is worth just keeping in storage, because we don't know how long we're going to live here, but we're here for at least a year. So we are getting our temporary residency and we're mid-process for that. We should be getting that next month, but because we're mid-process we did have to request permission to leave Mexico. So that was just a process at the immigration office, letting them know the dates will be gone. We had to get a slip from them that we picked up the other day, so we're good to go. You just have to get it stamped when you leave and then bring it back to immigration when you come back. So yeah, we're excited to see friends and family for a couple weeks, but now we're just trying to figure out what to pack for 2 weeks, because we are going back to the cold, and we've been here in lovely Cancun for a few months in the, it's summer all year round, and we don't really have winter clothes with us. So most of what we're taking is like the warmest stuff we have right now, and then we have winter clothes that is stored back in like at our family's homes. So this is pretty light packing for us, plus we want to make sure we have as much room as possible in our suitcase to be able to bring whatever we want back, like home goods, I guess, like kitchenware and stuff like that we like to use. So we're keeping it simple. Alright, so first things, we have already laid out what we plan to wear the day that we're flying. So since it's going to be colder, it's 30 degrees Celsius here, but it's 30 degrees Fahrenheit there.
Yes, very funny.
So we need to wear a little warmer stuff. So my husband Daniel is going to wear jeans. He's got this like pullover thing and a jacket. And then myself down there, I did not pack as many warm things, so I have jeans, a t-shirt, and my light windbreaker jacket. So hopefully that keeps me warm enough to get back to my winter clothes that are stored. Then my husband has some shirts laid out that he's going to wear, some shorts that I think he's taking to store. Is that right? Are you storing these? No? You're gonna wear shorts? Okay, I'm not gonna go for that. And then some other t-shirts, and then he has some headbands because he's growing out his hair here. So that's his hair accessories. My hair accessories are in here. We always travel with the first aid kit, which is in here, just band-aids and antiseptic stuff. This is feminine products. And then I have my makeup bag. I have some of my like makeup and liquids that you have to, when you're traveling on an airplane, you have to put them in that clear bag that they can see. It has to be all like under 4 ounces, I think, or 4.2 ounces, something like that. And then the rest of our toiletries are in here, which I think this one might actually go into the suitcase. But everything else is just going to go into our 2 backpacks so that we can leave as much room open in the suitcase. These are going to be our snacks for the plane. We have 2 planes we have to take, Cancun to Atlanta and then to Kansas City. So we got delicious chili and lime, which is really prolific here. It's the snack to get. Then salt and lime and just like trail mix. And this is a new thing we haven't tried, but it looks like it has like peanuts, almonds, and some other seed. It looks pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds. I think that's what that is. Then we got our camera, and coming around here, I have my hair stuff. This is our selfie stick in case at the wedding we want to do some cool shots. This is our battery charger for our camera, our external hard drive. Yes, I did keep the original bubble wrap it came in because I feel like it keeps it safer. It's like an extra cushion. I probably could just buy an actual case for it, I bet, but whatever. Recycling there. This is my phone charger. We got our passports. We got our important document for allowing us to leave and return during our residency process. Bring in an empty water bottle to fill up at the airport once we get through security. This is my packing cube of my sleepwear and stuff, and then I have like an extra packing cube that the stuff will go into. So I've got some t-shirts I'm gonna bring. I don't have like a lot of long pants or anything, so I am bringing just like some yoga pants here, and then like these are the jeans I'm wearing the day of. So until I get my other long pants, it's really all I can wear, but I'll get that like the day we're back. And then some nicer t-shirts. And this is actually a shirt I didn't even mean to bring to Mexico, but somehow I accidentally packed it. It's like it's more of a nice like work shirt, but it's that like synthetic fabric that is not good to wear in Mexico because it just like clings to you and it doesn't breathe. So I'm taking it back to put into storage instead, because I'm never gonna wear it here. Yeah, definitely have cotton t-shirts here. They're much better. And then my laptop and charger.
Look at all this school pride from Rach Face.
I didn't even notice that all of my t-shirts are K-State. Go Cats! So yeah, this is everything that we're bringing, and then we'll probably be bringing back a lot more clothes too, because we tried to pack light just for these few months. But I'm kind of tired of wearing the same thing over and over again, so definitely gonna bring that back, and like kitchen tools and stuff that we love to use because we love cooking. Probably some towels because we have noticed that the quality of towels isn't as great here. So yeah, we'll probably do a video when we're back in Kansas going through some of the stuff we put into storage and give you guys a sense of what we think is worth bringing or not bringing in case you're considering a move here. It would have been nice, I think, to know beforehand like what is worth bringing or not, because it's definitely not worth it to bring everything. Like, we sold most of our stuff because it's so much easier to just fly here than to try to, you know, have stuff shipped down here. Alright, so now we just need to pack all this up into our backpacks and we'll be good to go. Alright, so we're all packed up and we'll see you guys in Kansas. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and we'll see you guys there. Adios! What are these called? Hair electronics?
Hair electronics.
Hair electronics. Hair.
Your
there's a
straightener and your hair dryer?
And yeah, is there a combined word for these? Hair tools? Hair tools.